Uy, thank you. Hindi ka chill?
Congrats, kuya.
Deep as the wild ocean blue, drawing me in like the tide to the moon. My stars aligned the moment that you and I met. If all that I had was the air in my chest.
Sa wakas dumating na tayo dito. Ito yung pinakamatagal na nating hinihintay. Ang saya lang kasi lahat kinain natin. Hirap, pagod, at saya. Nagsama tayo.
Kahit anumang problema ang dumating, kaya nating dalawa yan. May solusyon para dyan. Basta always happy lang sa ating samahan.
Your eyes remind me of stars in the night, flowers in bloom under wide open skies. I'll wait for
Tula, love. Ay, love, sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko. Sana kahit mag-asawa na tayo, importante pa din yun.
heart's going through. I'll be the mountain that will never move. I'm gonna love you. If it's the last thing that I do. If all that I had was the air in my chest.
Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord at sa nag-invento ng story reaction sa Facebook. Tuwang-tuwa ako kasi nag-first move ka sa akin. Nag-heart react kasi siya sa akin eh. Kaya nag-message siya sa kanya.
Took the long road getting here. Hearts working overtime. I think the fog covered up my eyes, 'cause now I finally realize. 'Cause I was right, you were still. Fire burns when we collide.
Thank you dahil sobrang maalagain mo. And everyday na paglaba, namiss ka talaga. Paglalaba ka talaga.
I wanna spend it with you. I wanna spend it with you. I wanna spend it with you.
Sana ma-appreciate mo to. Itong simbolo ng pagmamahal ko. Kahit na ikailan, di magbabago. At,
May photo tayo.
at maluluma. I love you, love. And my incoming wife. Your pinaka-idol, Brian.
Yung gusto ko talaga ito.
Even on the darker days, the way you love me lights the way. My fairy tales and future are finally connected. It's like I dreamed.
nagkaroon man ako ng maling desisyon sa buhay, nandiyan siya. Kaya gusto ko sabihin, Sir Love, thank you for staying by my side. Mamahalin kita hanggang huminga ako. Ikaw palagi ang hahanapin ko sa tuwing pag-isip. Pagsisilbihan ka hanggat kaya ko, umalatang taon. Ikaw at ikaw ba din ang pinakamagandang regalo kong natanggap sa buhay.
Guess I pulled you right from the page into reality. Feels like I'm falling deep into your gravity. 'Cause it's like I dreamed you were.
Hindi kita mamahalin dahil sa perpekto ka. Mamahalin kita dahil ikaw ang piniling regalo sa akin ng Panginoon.
I love you. I'm excited na ako makasama ka habang buhay.